Hi little friends. Today we are going to play a guessing game. Can you find the animals on the farm? Let's go. This animal loves to swim and says quack, quack. Can you guess? It's a duck. You're so smart. This animal is very fast and loves to run. Who is it? That's right. It's a horse. Look at this big shadow. He has a long mane and says, roar. Who is it? It's a lion, the king of the jungle. Great job. This next animal is very, very big. He has a long trunk and big ears. Can you guess? It's an elephant. You're doing amazing. Oh look, this one loves to swing from trees and eat bananas. What is it? Yes, it's a monkey. This animal is super tall, with a very long neck. Do you know who this is? It's a giraffe. Wow, you're so smart. That was so much fun, explorers. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.